This video is in collaboration with Care of. Hey guys, welcome to a very exciting vlog. Team AG and I are headed to Montreal to surprise James with a complete living room transformation. The makeover actually has probably already gone live, which is hilarious because we haven't even shot it yet. I will link it up here. Basically, James, my editor, moved to Montreal a couple months ago, which was really sad to say goodbye to him and not see James in the office, you know, every day. But I am thrilled for him because he lives in this beautiful home with tons of character and he has a community there and he just seems like super happy. So yeah, it's our first makeover where we've traveled out of province. This vlog is just gonna be documenting our week traveling around Montreal. We're gonna hit up some cute cafes, some cute decor stores. So yeah, I thought I would take you behind the scenes. So Noah and I are leaving ahead of everyone. We're driving there. We have a family thing we have to attend on the weekend, and I'm just packing, getting ready, getting all my makeup sorted, and I wanted to talk to you about Care of. Like, how cute is that packaging though? Am I right? We have a really busy summer coming up. I actually can't wait to just like show you guys the things we have in the works. Some really exciting things are happening, and I am traveling so much this summer, both for work and like just personal stuff, which is really exciting. Oh, can you see Lottie's ear? I want to ensure that I'm staying healthy, just like filling my body with things that are gonna fuel me and keep me energized. Traveling is like so fun, but I find personally that I get really worn out and like run down really easily. So what I love about Care of is that it is a monthly vitamin subscription that totally takes the guesswork out of vitamins. I feel like knowing which vitamins to take has always been something that I've struggled with. You know, some of my colleagues are like, yeah, I take like 6 vitamins a day. And I'm like, but how do you know which ones to take? So Care of has been so helpful in just like getting me on track when it comes to my vitamins. So basically how it works is I took the Care of quiz and it asked me about my diet, my lifestyle, and my health goals. And then it recommended vitamins and supplements that are tailored to me. A health goal of mine has definitely been more energy and kind of combating that afternoon slump. So I have been taking iron and rhodiola. That's like a funny word, rhodiola. Not only is this packaging so freaking cute, but what I love about them is that they come in these little packs, which are made from a plant-based film, making them compostable. So not only are they just like super convenient for me to grab and go, but when traveling, everything is all in a little pack. I can just pop it into my makeup kit or my suitcase. I can take my supplements and vitamins easily with me everywhere I go. Care of is made with clean ingredients that are backed by science, and if you want to try some for yourself, take the personalized Care of quiz. All the info will be down below. Also, of course, I have a code for you. So if you click the link down below and use my code AGATOR, you will get 50% off your first order. I'm gonna take my vitamins, I'm gonna finish packing, and then we're gonna head to Montreal. So excited!
An hour to Halifax right now in Montreal.
We're about to take off. Here we come, James. Hey guys, so by now you know that most of Team AG is en route to Montreal to surprise James with a makeover. He truly has no idea what's happening. Like, he has no idea we're surprising him. We have kept it a secret, and we've like nodded at his makeover being like, yeah, you know, Graham will be there and like we're gonna do check-ins with you and we're gonna send you the plan on Tuesday morning, like no worries. But he really has no idea. I'm here with Noah. Noah and I are driving our car to Montreal. Well, Noah's driving. Graham is driving a U-Haul, which he's like very excited about. Like really excited about for some reason. I don't know.
Why is he excited about such bad suspension?
And Amanda, Alana, and Carla are heading to Montreal by plane. So we're all just cruising in. I'm going back on a plane. Noah's leaving Montreal earlier. He has some family there, so that's why he's tagging along. See you guys when we're there. The team made it! Woo! Carla?
Even me.
As I'm like struggling to put on my
James won't know we're here until tomorrow unless we run into him. I'm kind of scared that we're gonna run into him, guys.
Why are you putting that out in the universe?
I haven't run into him all weekend. I've been here. Graham's still bopping away in the U-Haul, and we are gonna shoot some content today, not related to James's makeover. Just pray that we don't see him.
Back to you, Graham, and then I'll go to
Yeah,
him.
yeah, it'll go back to bopping around. You guys excited?
Yeah.
Woo! First Team AG trip abroad. Abroad meaning Montreal.
Oui, oui, baguette. Bisous. We're just not sure this was the best arrangement for co-pilot.
We've missed a couple turns. One turn so far.
Alexandra, you're good at a lot of stuff.
We literally wouldn't be here without you, but I do think one of us should co-pilot.
Amanda finds the best way to say that. I know, I love it
So diplomatic.
Guys, we're at this cafe called Cafe Rista. So I was like totally wrong. Pastel Rita. Pastel Rita. Anyways, super cute. It's all pink. And there's a tattoo parlor off the cafe, and Alana is gonna get a wrist tattoo. You've been in Montreal for like 2 hours and you're already like, I'm living my life. Oh, we also have a ring light here, just FYI. The guy from the tattoo parlor was like, oh, let me get you a ring light.
Everyone here is so nice. We love it here.
Everyone is so nice. Are you ready? Ready? Oh, I'm sorry. Whoa, that's really good.
You're like a really good tattoo artist.
I'm like so good. What's your name?
Graham.
Hey, how are you feeling?
Excited, nervous.
Alana's getting the tattoo placement that I told her to.
Yeah.
Because she likes it, not because I told her.
This is so exciting. You've been talking about this for so long. It looks so good like that. Yeah?
It's not even as bad as a needle.
Alana, it's so dainty and cute. Oh my God, I love it.
Take a look. There's a big mirror on the other side of the pillar there if you want. I just started this.
You like it? Oh my gosh, Alana, so cute. Hey guys, okay, so we're at a different location. I'm wearing a different outfit, did a quick change in the car. We are visiting Macca. If you don't follow her on Instagram, go do so now. She's at Hey Macca. You probably already do because she's the best. We chat all the time, but we've never met in person. So we are at her studio and we're gonna meet her today. I'm so excited. Guys, there's little polka dots all over her door. Hi! Okay guys, I'm gonna give you a little tour of Macca's studio. It's just as cute as it looks online. Actually, I think it might be even like cuter, actually. First of all, like, what? I remember when you did this DIY actually, the decals.
Yeah,
So cute. And then your office space over here. You sell these calendars in your shop. All the Pantones. Alana, I think we should do a Pantone thing like this. Where do we have the one? We don't. Cute. It is Thursday. our last day in Montreal and we are just leaving James's house. If you guys have not seen us make over his living room, you will want to go watch that video right now. So it's our last day. We're going out for brunch as a team and then we are hitting up some of my fave decor stores in Montreal. Let's go to brunch. We're going to Arthur's, which we've heard is like very famous, well-known brunch place in Montreal and everyone raves about it. So yeah, can't wait.
Start vlogging now.
Start vlogging now.
Yeah, get that content.
Oh, okay.
I miss you.
I'm sorry. Just FaceTime me in. I'll be obnoxious somewhere else.
Okay guys, we just had the best brunch ever. Well, for me, I would say
No,
that,
I think we can all collectively agree.
right? Like Arthur's is not overrated. It's really good. Say goodbye to Graham and James, which is actually quite sad. And now we're heading to the first decor store. It's raining, it's cold, but we're doing it for the vlog.
Let's vlog it up.
Yeah, it's really wet. The first place we're going to is called Mimi and August, and it's the cutest little decor store.
This place is so cute, right? I'm really into hair clips right now.
Cute.
And then this one.
See what Alana got.
This is Montreal, yo.
The old port of Montreal is so beautiful, but it's so rainy right now.
Welcome in. So nice to meet you. Oh my god, you're alive. Eddie. Not my baby. Oh, Julia's baby.
Lots to look at in here. Aww. And legs.
Hi, Eddie. So nice to meet you all. Bye.
Pleasure. Thank you. Okay, G, what's next?
Did you say okay, G?
AG.
Oh, wait, they said, okay, G. So we're going to the store called Buck and Nola. I feel like Alana is just gonna pop off in that store. She's gonna be like, oh my God, this is where I meant to live. They're actually under construction right now, like their main boutique. But we're going to, I don't know, I guess it's like their warehouse or where they store things, but it's like open to the public. So yeah, we'll see what we can find. How do I bring this home with me? Do I want candles? Yeah, I do.
Squiggle.
That is so cool. Is that a candle holder?
Yeah.
Okay, well I need that. These are by a Montreal designer. And I have one of her wine toppers that looks like this. I love ceramics. Look at these. Look at these coasters. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna get clock.
Cute.
I have like a real problem with buying notebooks.
And then not writing in them, because that's what I do.
This whole kitchen situation is beautiful. Show the viewers the kitchen.
What is it? Show.
It's
Talk.
called 91. Look at this hook. It's so fun. I'm buying these twisted candles, these beautiful coasters. Like, how could I not, you know? Okay guys, we're heading to the airport. Thanks for shopping with us.